people. After long, I'm doing this recording, and no, so it feels so good. So yesterday till 1 in the night, I was awake, what, not watching. I was reading this book, the authorized biography of Sanjeev Kumar, this actor, and oh my god, what an absorbing read. I mean, like, as in Sanjeev Kumar, uh, the actor, uh, came from very humble came from a very humble background, and like he studied in a Gujarati medium school, but it's like because he had that single minded focus towards becoming uh, like an actor. It's as if the universe came together to give him that opportunity. But honestly, even saying this would be a bit wrong, because it's like as if we are negating the kind of hard work and perseverance this gentleman put in, because finally he acted in over 156 Hindi movies alone, around 11 films of different regional languages like Marathi and Sindhi, and and then I don't know how many countless plays. And this book has been gleaned from the interviews of people who who knew Sanjeev Kumar, the actor, because it's been more than 30 years since he passed away. But still, even 30 years later, almost all the people who've been interviewed had such nice things, warm things to say about him. So it is it is just indicative of the fact that if you're a good human being, it's like you live on, it's you become immortal, I think. So really, people, this book, you need to read it to know the kind of life graph of this gentleman, who was at one point like one of the most eligible bachelors in Bollywood, and he finally uh, passed away as a bachelor because he never did marry anyone. But it is just so interesting, his life story as such. So, and it's impossible to speak about all the minor incidents and anything in his life all in a 2-minute video. How does one do that? So really, people, do try and read this book. It's an authorized biography of Sanjeev Kumar, and you can find it on Amazon. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.